Hi, Tom Snow here again. In this bonus video, I discussed what to watch out for in affiliate marketing. So remember before when I said that doing affiliate marketing right will take work, and anybody who tells you otherwise is selling you a bill of goods? Well, let's take that one step further. How about watch out for the many wolves out there that want to part you from your hard-earned money? If and when you search affiliate marketing or any derivations of such on YouTube, you're going to see a million people out there telling you, actually selling you, that you can make hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars in affiliate marketing if you just follow their plans. Buyer beware. Watch out. If they were just giving you some good advice like I'm trying to do here, then I'd listen. But 99.9 times out of 100, they're not giving you anything. Instead, they're out to sell you on their ingenious system. They'll suck you in, they'll give you the pitch, they'll make you feel like you'll miss out on the only opportunity left to you in this century. They'll tell you it's worth $100,000, and you'd normally have to pay anyone else at least $10,000 for this knowledge and system. And then they'll make it reasonable for only 3, 6, or 12 simple payments that don't seem so bad, but add up to hundreds and hundreds, and more likely thousands. And you'll get sucked in, and your money will get sucked out. Will you learn something new? Probably. Will you make a bunch of money that they promised? Most likely not. Will it be worth it in the end? Probably not. Will you even recover the initial cost you put in? Probably not again. Beware of affiliate marketing that sell their own systems to do affiliate marketing. Kind of like the pyramid scheme of pyramid schemes. How do I know this? Because through the years, I fell for many such BS programs and systems. Yep, I'm dumb. I've lost a bunch of money learning this lesson. So I'm just trying to save you heartache, time, and money. So you ask, then why am I different from any of them? Good question. Because I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm only sharing my accumulated knowledge through the years of trial and error to success. The only thing I'm promoting here that costs money is the Vidnami video creator and editor I introduced you to. Yes, when you use the 25% off discount code in my affiliate link below, I do receive a 50% commission on your $35 a month subscription for life. Hey, I'm in business too. But I'm not going to get rich on $17.50 a month from you. I'm not asking thousands of dollars like these other people. I'm not out here charging you hundreds of dollars for my knowledge, let alone thousands like them. I'm trying to help good folks like you. And if I can end up helping hundreds or thousands of people to do the same, then yes, it's a nice monthly income for me. But it's not trying to sell you some crazy, pay me thousands of dollars up front for me to give you my information. I already gave you my information for free. You can go get Vidnami without my link. So, that's up to you. So, with what I've taught you, and by the way, when you're ready, you can become an affiliate for Vidnami and do the same. So hey, it's just helping one another, helping one another. So today, I hope I helped you save a lot of time, a lot of trouble, and a lot of money. This was a bonus for the 7-part series. Stay tuned for other series to come, and/or other informational teaching videos, as well as discounts for programs we use, like Vidnami. Be sure to click on the subscribe button and ring the bell in my YouTube channel so you can stay alerted to each new upcoming video as they're released. To your success.